Hello, I'm JK. Thank you for tuning in. This is our final step of Kinky FauxLocs, and of course, this is the very last episode. That is the third episode. I want to thank you for coming along with me. Uh, this was a special request, but I have seen people still following me on this. That shows me that you're really interested in what I do. I salute you. Now, let me explain to you the very last part of our Kinky FauxLocs tutorial. After doing our sectioning our boxes as you saw it, doing our theories, now this is the very final step. And when you have your kinky, you're going to crochet it into your theories, and then you start rolling. And this rolling is not a matter of just rolling, but there is art that you need to follow when doing this thing. You make sure you don't leave any gap, and mind you, the first gap, exactly after crocheting, when you're starting to roll, you have to make sure that this kinky of yours that you're going to use, you have to it has to be imbalanced. That in that I mean, you make the side of you make it long this side where you want, you make it long to the extent where you want your strand to end. That means you are going to make one side is going to be longer, and then the side that you're going to start rolling is going to be shorter. You don't have to mind, uh, even if it's too short, you just go on adding. But the main thing, the main issue, you have to make it long this side where your strand is going to be, or this side where you connect it to the hair, because normally the hair is short. It can't be longer to the strands that you want, because remember, the better strands are the better length of the strands, they have to be long enough to hold a puff and to help you when you're styling. So that means the hair is going to be short in most cases. The people who have longer hair, like a hair that actually is long to the shoulders, but that is most especially the whites. But the blacks or the Africans normally have short hair. So for you guys who have short hair, this kink is going to help you to make your strands longer. This is how we roll, and then the finishing part, you just bend it, and then you roll again when going back up again. And don't forget the palm rolling. Palm rolling is going to help you to to make your ends firm, like they can't get removed or dismantled. They have to be firm. Your ends have to be firm. You see how I crochet the very tip of of the scalp, or where my theories start, where my theories I did from the hair start from, and then I start right away from the scalp part. But of course, make sure that you don't hurt your client. You don't have to be so hard when you're just starting it, because remember, you're starting from the scalp, from where the hair starts from. So I go on rolling, and this rolling, you have to have art. Don't leave any gap when you are rolling your hair. You have to make sure you don't leave any single gap. You roll it as if you're so hard, but again, it don't have to be so hard. So when your kink is done, you just add this. Remember, this kink is strong enough, it doesn't disentangle itself. So you just add right away, and then you start again. Don't forget to trim to make your strands neat. Here is our ending. Look how beautiful she looks, and this hair can take you for a year, even more. And by the way, its repair is very easy. you just actually I've already done tutorials about repair of this hair. You can go back into my previous videos, or if you want me to do it again, you can send me a message.